What if I told you that your headache is actually coming from your neck? Cervicogenic headaches, or tension headaches, are very prevalent in today's society, and it's something that we often see in people with cervical extension syndrome. The people that usually experience these symptoms are ones that are seated for long periods of time, such as at a desk, doing homework or at work, or while driving, but can also be seen in those with high levels of stress or those that do repeated movements throughout the day with their head in an extended posture. These headaches usually start at the base of the head where tiny muscles are working overtime to keep your head upright. When these muscles get stressed, they will refer pain in a ram's horn pattern around the head to the forehead and behind the eyes. In this video, we'll be going over not just how to get rid of your headaches, but how to prevent them from coming back. If you feel a headache coming on or already have one, you will want to bring your head up and nod your head down. This will naturally stretch those muscles. You can help those muscles relax further by taking 2 fingers, finding the base of the skull, and going just below. Press in lightly as these muscles will be likely tender. Apply a light sideways pull for about 30 seconds, followed by a circular motion for another 30 to 60 seconds. You can gradually increase the amount of force as tolerated. You can also perform chin tucks to add another light stretch to those muscles. Go easy at first, as these can increase your headaches if you push too hard. Aim for about a 30% stretch, hold for 3 seconds, and perform 10 repetitions. The posture we typically see is rounded shoulders with a forward head. Because of the forward head, we rely on the small upper neck extensor muscles to pull our head up in order to look forward. However, this doesn't show the full picture. There are a few fixes we can still make to mitigate this positioning. Number 1, add an anterior pelvic tilt. In other words, stop slouching. This will activate the core muscles of the trunk and provide stability. Maintaining this posture for extended periods of time may be difficult, so adding proper back support could help maintain good posture. Number 2, having an armrest. Without an armrest, your shoulder blades depress and drop, which can eventually lead to rounding of the upper back and consequent extension at the neck. Number 3, have a proper chair height and laptop height to allow you to look forward. This can include raising or lowering your chair or adjusting the height of your computer. A standing desk is another viable option that could help. Repeated motions can add up over time to cause neck pain and headache as well. We often see this as our arms reach out for something and while we are exercising. We have a natural tendency to look up, which leads to that neck extension pattern we have seen. This can either be due to weakness or just poor control. We need to retrain our deep neck flexors to activate and control motion. To test for weakness, lay down and nod your head, bringing your chin as close to your chest as you can. This should lift your head off the ground. The average person should be able to hold 30 to 40 seconds. To train this, you may perform this motion holding for 10 to 20 seconds and performing 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. If you have the strength, then you will need to focus on maintaining a good neutral head posture. This will include the light cervical retraction while exercising or reaching for things. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop that in the comments below.